Okay. Today is an awesome day. We are going to the tail of the dragon. We're gonna do a little tailgate battle, and it's gonna be a good time. Of course, we're running late though, so let's go ahead and get to the tail of the dragon. So, here we are. We're at the dragon overlook, at the tail of the dragon. This place is just so beautiful. It's insane. Words cannot explain just, you're so lucky that you get to live right here.
Yeah.
So I'm here with fellow YouTuber Forrest.
Brought the better car.
Yeah, so we're doing a little of spirited driving fun here on the tail of the dragon. I'm not gonna push my car too hard, cause I don't want to die.
Yeah, not dying.
It's kind of a dangerous road.
Not dying is advised.
Yeah. We're gonna take it kind of carefully, but we're still gonna have fun. Forrest has an S2000. I've got a boosted Miata. Let's go ahead and talk about the cars.
Pretty much. Well, like everybody always wants to know about the engine, and they always freak out about, you know, oh, why is there nothing done to it? Because the engine looks pretty much stock. It has an AEM Infinity standalone ECU and a 3-inch catless exhaust, and that's all it needed to make 230 at the wheels, which was plenty for an NA setup.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy for an NA F22, 230 wheel horsepower. What'd you say? There's like some Mustang event here? Yeah,
it's Ponies in the Smokies this coming weekend.
Yeah, so there are a lot of Mustangs out here.
Basically, everything underneath the car is all Öhlins coilovers. We've done solid spherical bushings that are literally like they're welded in. Everything else is just set up for as much grip as possible without going wide body.
Right. But
I mean, if you see right
you can fit crazy tires on a stock Fender S2000.
Well, technically though, we had to roll and pull this to no end.
Yeah,
I mean, it's just
true.
It's crazy, and it's still like on track. It still does touch the edge just a little tiny bit, but it's not enough to where it makes a big difference.
Right.
All I've done to the brakes is Motul RBF 600 fluid, which is my favorite brake fluid, and then I've been running WinMax W5 track pads.
Right.
It really works. I mean, the only reason why I would go to a different caliper, I think, at this point is when the boots tear. It's a track car that I still drive on the street.
Yeah, that's a street track car. It's perfect. For any of you guys who don't remember what's done to my car, it's a 1.6 Miata with a flying Miata turbo kit. Suspension is Fortunato 500 series coilovers, stock bushings. Sad face. Wheelwood 6-piston big brake kit, some cooling mods, some interior mods. That's pretty much it. Oh, and tires. Actually, I want to talk about tires because that's an important thing. I
forgot to mention those.
Right. I'm running Hankook RS3s, 225s on a 15 by 9-inch rim.
These are 255 40 17s on a 17 by 10-inch Advan RZ2, and they are Falcon RT 615K pluses.
A lot of words. His car's got some pretty crazy stuff on it, so I'm just gonna try to keep up. That's all. That's my goal. Just try to keep up. doesn't stop. So far, so good. This road is awesome. Did you just throw a snowball at me, Audrey? I really want to throw it back, but I'm gonna be the better person. Yeah, it's really cool. It's a little scary for sure, because you're going around these corners really fast, and then it's just it's just a drop off down the mountain. So I'm definitely not pushing the car because I don't feel comfortable doing that, but I'm having a blast. Having fun, of course?
Yes, having a blast.
Yes.
I mean, as usual, right? You can't not have a blast in a place like this.
Yeah, I know, and it's just so pretty. Ah, Forrest name joke. So many Mustangs. Now! We are currently heading to Fontana Dam.
Do you want to take a picture of the dragon now, or when we come back?
It's damn cool. We can do it when we come back. The vlogger in this natural habitat.
I wonder if you realize
there's so many Mustangs. They're everywhere. It's terrifying. I feel like.
Oh, the waterfall.
No big deal, it's just a huge dam.
Yeah.
Mountains right here. Excuse the wind noise, but yeah, this is awesome. So cool. Audrey, do I look like a wizard from like Harry Potter with these?
A little bit now that you're
A little bit.
Okay, that's what I was kind of thinking. I was like, expecto patronum. Length 2,365 feet, 480 feet tall, 1942, wow. It's like beginning of World War II, right? We're gonna go ahead and head up to the top of the dam.
so pretty.
That's a big lake. It's a big fake lake.
Come to the edge and look.
Oh. That's spooky.
But that's not as much
Oh
as
no, oh no. I'm a little scared. I'll be honest, I'm kind of a wimp when it comes to heights.
Oh really?
Yeah. Oh, nah.
It's a little, it's a little iffy.
It's so pretty, but yeah, that's...
no, it's gorgeous.
You know, it's funny, like when I look through my camera, I'm not scared at all. The moment I look over the camera, I'm like, oh God. Got a new sledding hill right here, boys. This is the perfect place because you can see the mountains all around you.
You can literally see like everything that there. Like, this is how you take in or show to somebody else like how to think of this whole area.
Yeah.
I was holding my camera out here and I freaked out for a second because it slipped a little.
That would be RIP. RIP all that amazing footage. There's a bald eagle over there. You can't see it, of course. We're gonna go ahead and take a ride in Forrest's S2000. And then I'm gonna give him a ride in the Miata. Gonna be fun. I'm gonna get to experience what it feels like to drive the tail of the dragon when you actually know what you're doing.
Or with VTEC.
Or with VTEC, yeah, that's very true. I love the gauges on S2000s.
Yeah,
so sick.
that's one of the biggest things.
Oh, it feels so race car. The suspension's pretty stiff.
It's a little stiff. It's a little stiff, and like direction change.
Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Wow. That's all I can say. That was so awesome.
Yeah, it's fun. I'm gonna grab my camera now.
Okay. I thought I was doing this back road pretty fast, but that was insane. So much grip. It's just, it doesn't stop. We're coming into a corner. I'm like, all right, is he gonna slow down? And no, it just speeds up and it just handles it. So jealous of the way that car's chassis and grip is. Like, oh, so good. Just wait for the F20 Miata.
Right?
I've decided before I do any more power though, I want to get my chassis feeling like that because that's so, like it is honestly.
Bushings, man, a lot of it is in the bushings.
Yeah, I want to like do poly or bushings or something. I don't know.
Poly bushings or solid bushings or something. But yeah, no, it bushings and sway bars.
Yeah, I've got both of those are stock. So
well, actually,
that's
I take that back. This car has stock sway bars.
It does. Okay.
So.
The other thing I did forget is my dampening has been on the lowest setting because I've been dailying the car. I forgot to turn it up, so we're gonna go ahead and crank this dampening up. I mean, more dampening means more fastness, right? Is that how it works?
M for Miata.
Yeah, that's the old Mazda logo.
Oh, that feels good.
Yeah, the power-wise is good.
Feels very good power-wise, like. That's super positive feeling. Like, I've never ridden in an NA Miata that had that kind of positive acceleration.
They're all so slow.
Yeah, no, they are. It's got great mid-range.
Yeah, no, it pulls all the way up.
That's awesome.
Down low, it's a little bad, but as long as you're...
Has it been dyno?
Yeah.
What did it make again, you said?
223.
223, okay, that's really good.
Yeah,
For like a Miata, like man, that's really good. I have respect for that. It definitely feels like it's sorted out, you know? Like,
yeah, it's okay, but like after riding your car, I feel like it's a little like airy almost.
I love whenever you rev match, you get the little bit of a bleed off and boost. Sounds so good, yeah. That is one thing. It's like I love the reliability and the dependability of NA, but at the same time, I kind of miss
So
those.
true, yeah.
I miss the little hisses and pops and sounds that you get from a boosted car.
Yeah, the difference of your car and my car over that bump is very noticeable.
Very noticeable.
Put it that way. So yeah, that was crazy. It definitely put things into perspective. I thought my Miata was a lot better balanced than it is. So we definitely got to work on that. Got to get some sway bars, some bushings, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do another pass on the Dragon, and then head back. I feel like I'm really pale. Bye, Forrest. Bye. Back to our lovely Home away from home. Nobody broke into the school bus. That's ideal. Let's make some dinner. The master chef was successful. See this, Audrey? This is what success looks like. Yet again, it's pretty chilly out, so having a fire is really nice. It's gonna be miserable. It was really cold last night, sleeping wise. It's not fun.
Well, now we know to get the blankets out.
Yeah, we're gonna have to pile up the blankets. That is a large fire.
Eh.
Did you say eh? Camping is honestly like one of my favorite things to do, and the best thing about camping is sitting in front of the campfire. And then everything smells like campfire, which kind of sucks, but it's also
at the same time,
so
it's like
awesome.
the best thing in the world.
It's the best smell. It's like 20 degrees outside, Audrey.
It is 44 degrees outside.
Is it really 44?
You're welcome.
It doesn't feel like 44.
We have a fire. You ever do it this sideways, right?
Gingium is the ultimate campfire chef. Oh, some ketchup. Yes. Yeah, oh, there's a seal on it. Damn it. So that is it for day 2. Audrey just spat an apple on the floor. Nice job. I'm kind of speechless. It was just such an awesome day. I want to give a huge thanks to Forrest for coming out, showing us around the mountain. If you guys are interested in checking out his perspective, I'll have a link in the description. So thank you so much, Forrest. It was awesome to meet you if you're watching this, which
Probably will.
probably. The Miata did great on the tail of the Dragon. It's definitely not as good as Force S2000, but the brakes were awesome. The power was awesome. It handled really well. I just need to beef up the suspension a little bit, and then it'll be even better. But it was so much fun. And then coming back to here, coming back to the bus, just making a fire, making some food. It's just so awesome. Tomorrow we are heading down to Atlanta and going to Import Alliance. That'll be fun. And yeah, that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. If you're new, consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate that. Also, a huge shout out to Audrey for not getting nauseous. That was cool. She handled it very well.